In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted videos from Google One. We will walk through the exact clicks to bring a recently deleted video back into your Google Drive, as long as it is still inside the 30-day trash window. First, files stay in the Google Drive trash folder for exactly 30 days before permanent removal. That timing is automatic and tied to Google storage, including Google One plans. If a video was deleted more than 30 days ago, it will no longer appear in trash at all. Now open your browser and search for Google Drive. In the search results, you should see the official Google Drive page near the top, usually with the word Google and Drive in the title. Confirm the web address shows the standard Google domain, so you know you are going to the real Drive site before you click. Next, click the correct Google Drive link in the results and wait for the Drive sign-in page to load. Sign in with the Google account tied to your Google One plan. This is usually the account where your storage upgrade is active and where the video was originally stored. If you use more than one Google account, double-check the email shown on the sign-in screen before you continue, since the trash is separate for each account. Once you enter your email and password for that account, Drive opens to your main files area, showing folders and recent files for that specific Google One storage. From here, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar in Google Drive, find the item labeled Trash, and click Trash. On mobile, this sidebar may appear as a panel with the same word Trash in the list. After you select Trash, the main area changes to show only the files and folders that were deleted within the last 30 days. You might see different file types here, like documents, photos, and videos, all mixed together. Near each file, Drive also shows when it was deleted, which helps you confirm that the video is still inside that 30-day recovery period. Now, locate your video file in the trash list. You can scroll to look for its name or recognize it by the video thumbnail. When you find it, right-click it, or on mobile, tap the three dots icon beside the file name and select Restore. After you choose Restore, the file disappears from trash and returns to the exact folder where it lived before deletion. There is no extra save button here. The recovery happens immediately. If you switch back to My Drive, you will now see that video available again, ready to play, share, or move just like any other file. You have now recovered a deleted video from your Google One storage using the Google Drive trash. If this helped you get an important video back, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Google storage tips.